Do you know how do adults adapt to technological skills needed everyday life and the world of work in Finland?
The aim of our chapter is to discuss the issues that should be paid attention to in order to engage adults to learn the digital skills needed in the area of manufacturing 4.0. It's quite important to pay attention to the fact that adults are quite diverse. On one hand, there are the adults who need to learn more basic skills to survive in the digital age, and then there are also those adults who need to learn quite specific advanced technological skills for the needs of the world of work. From previous research, we know that it's quite important to offer also minor wholes to adults and not only just whole qualifications. By minor wholes, I mean micro-credentials and modules to offer digital skills and technological skills that adults need at everyday life and at the world of work. The models of funding adult education should enable flexible combination of work and personal life.
According to previous study and our research, there are 3 factors that are supporting adults' adaptation to technology. The first factor was the usability of technology. It made the work faster, safer, and more productive. The second factor was the economic and personal factors. The people who were adapted to technology felt, for example, more secure about their work lives. Oh. The third factor were the social factors. If your friends or your family members were using technologies, you were also more likely to do it.
Adult skills are quite diverse. Are you worried? Do you know the solution for this problem?